I'm on my way down the south coast for a couple of days, and let's see what happens and what the weather brings. Cheers, enjoy. No idea what the new system is supposed to be all about. Signing at the gate doesn't happen anymore. They've now got a scanner where they scan your driver's license and the vehicle license. It took me a lot longer entering because the scanner didn't work properly. Couldn't scan the car license. And then when I get to reception, I was there for nearly 20 minutes. Firstly, trying to get somebody to help me that I can book in. And then the second thing is they couldn't find a printer working. Not that the system was down, but they just couldn't get the printer to print me a receipt. Arrived at Carradine. The wind was hectic coming here. I think it's the worst I've ever had the wind driving the van all over the road. Traffic wasn't too bad. It was only the wind that was hectic. The wind's still blowing quite a bit now. But otherwise, no clouds in the sky, and hopefully the wind will die down later on. Good morning, Wednesday morning. Had some unexpected rain last night. Didn't rain too long, but had some rain. And we'll see what the weather brings today. I think the clouds will burn away. But again, what a beautiful day. Lots of bird life here. Good morning, Thursday morning. A little bit of a breeze, some cloud. Same as yesterday, I'm sure the clouds will burn away just now. But otherwise, peaceful, quiet. You hear the sea in the background. And the gypsum geese are behaving themselves this morning. No fighting and making big noise like they normally do in the mornings and late afternoon. Good morning, Friday morning. Gypsum geese started about 4:15 this morning, having a big argument. But it looks like it's going to be a clear day with lots of wind. Time to go home again before the big storm starts. I believe this weekend is going to be hectic with rain. I'm back home already. I left early this morning. First time I ever returned so early in the morning to come home. But when I looked at the weather forecast for today down the coast, the wind was absolutely crazy. According to a weather prediction, it was gust up to 65 kilometers an hour. And traveling with us in that type of wind, I had enough going down there. It was a bit rough. But I'm back home, and thank you for watching. Until the next trip. Cheers.